to my honorable channel. I'm so glad and humbled to have you here once again. Please, if you are a newcomer, consider subscribing to this channel. If you are an old subscriber, thank you very much. May you be blessed for tuning in to me once again. On my channel, all I do is to make money. Is to make content on how you can make money online. So today is no exemption. I come to your screens once again to present to you another money-making opportunity online, which requires no investment. So please take note of what I'm about to tell you before we start everything. As I already said, this site doesn't require you to put in money. Take note of that. You are not going to put in any money. You are just going to be performing simple tasks, right? And then you'll be paid. Make sure you don't joke with this update. If you are already in my billionaires club, you will know what I'm about to show you. I've been dropping updates like this and my people are crazily making money. So I will leave a link to my WhatsApp platform in the description section. You can click and then you join, right? I'll also leave the invite link and also the invitation code. When they ask you for the invitation code, just copy it and paste. Don't type, please. If you don't use the invite code correctly, your account is going to be disqualified. So please don't type the invite code. Just copy and paste. I hope I've made myself clear. So without much ado, let's dive in. So when you click on the when you click on the invite link, which I'll drop in the description section, it's gonna bring you to this site, right? You are gonna get this interface. As a newbie or as a newcomer, you don't have an account already. So all you have to do is to click on this register here. So you just have to click on it, right? And then let's wait for the next page. So when you click on it, please pay rapt attention and make sure you don't skip any part of this video, else you are going to mess things up and I don't want it to happen to you. So when they bring you here, first you click on this guy here which is saying select, right? You click on it, all right, and then you search for your country, right? I am in Ghana, so I will just scroll down. Sorry, let me go up. I'll keep scrolling till I get Ghana, right? Okay, let's be scrolling. We will get it, don't worry. Okay guys, so once you find your country, you just have to click on it like that and it will be selected. So here you enter your phone number. I already have an account, so let me use someone else's phone number. And because when you select the country, the country code will be pre-typed, like will be there already, so you don't have to start your number with 054 with 0. You just have to ignore the 0 and then enter. So in whatever country you are, this is the way to go. You search for your country, you get your country's code, and then you follow it with your phone. So let me use this, my brother's phone number. All right, so after entering the phone number, next you need a password. And as usual in stuffs like this, the only password I use is Adifodi. Then I add one in tutorial like this. That's the only password I normally use, right? Okay, then here you have to enter this code, right? So that's FP2J, right? So after this, now this is where the deal comes in. You need the invite code, right? You need the invite code. So at this point, please don't type. Just come to the description section of the video, of this very video. You find the invite code. You copy and then you come here, then paste. please don't type, else you might make mistakes, right? Or when you join my WhatsApp platform, I'll drop both the link and also the invite code. Thank you. So let me go and copy, and then I'll come back to paste. If you don't drop it well, your account will be disqualified. Okay, so as I said, you have to copy the invite code and then you paste, right? I don't want you to type the invite code due to this reason. You see this guy, I don't know whether it's L or I hope you can see it, or 1, you can see that. So for you to avoid any mistake which will render your account being disqualified, because trust me, you are going to make like you will see it. So make sure you just copy the invite code and then you paste, right? So after this interface, all you have to do is to click on register, right? You have to click on register. So you can choose to save the password or not, right? So when you come here, look at what you are going to see. Okay, let me click on this guy here and show you something. The moment you create an account, you will be given $200 for free, right? But trust me, this money you are seeing here isn't withdrawable yet. You have to perform some task before, right? So the first thing you are going to do is this. First, click on this guy here. Click on inventory. When you click on it, you can see you've not purchased anything. I wanted to show you something. You can see that you have not purchased anything yet, right? So let's go and do something with the $200 they've given us, and then we'll be good to go, right? Sorry, I had a call and I have to hang the person up. All right, so you see we already have money, right? We already have some money, so we are going to rent this device to be working for us. We are going to rent this device, and it's going to be giving us 0.17 USD dollars per every hour, which is going to give us 0.4 US dollars per day. But trust me, there's a way we are going to increase this guy to at least $10 every day, or even $100 every day. So all you have to do is to click on rent now, and let's see what will happen. So you just have to confirm it, and now we have successfully purchased this device. So let's go to inventory once again and see something here. You can see that it's already working for us, right? We have buy this device and it's going to work for us for 40 good days. So after an hour, you come here and you see your profit being loaded, right? So this is part 1. Now here comes the big deal. This is where the real money is. You just have to click on this guy here. Just click on team, right? You click on team. Let's wait for it to load. And right here, you are going to copy your invite link, and also make sure you take very good care of your invite code, right? So you copy your link and then you can share it with others. For every person that joins this platform and perform the task as I shared to you, you are going to get $2, right? You are going to get $2. So just imagine if you are able to invite like 100 people a day, or even 10 people a day, guys. This is a good deal. You don't need any investment. Just activate the account as I taught you, and then be inviting. Make sure they use your invite code. Now when you are able to invite 60 people, you are going to get $200, which is withdrawable. It is confirmed, guys. It is confirmed. And also, when your users activate the account, you are going to get, I think, 4.5% of their daily earnings. So the earlier you join this platform, the better. You can also click on this profile here, right? And then you can contact their customer care. We will actually come to that, right? So you can click on settings and then you set your nickname here, right? I hope this was helpful, guys. I hope this was helpful, guys. So you can click on contact us and then you can contact their customer care. Now let me tell you something, guys. Now, how do you withdraw the money? Let me check something. The video is, I think, 10 minutes long. I don't want to keep it that long, so just comment done when you are done with this process. So this video is going to be part 1. On the part 2, I'm going to show you how you withdraw your money. Please don't forget to like the video. At least drop a comment, share. When you invite others and they don't know how to go about it, you can send the link of this video to them so that they watch and then they perform the task. But make sure they use your invite code. Guys, let's all make money together, right? Let's all make money together. Forgive me, the costs are always too much, right? So see you in the part 2. Make sure you create your account, make money, and then you'll be good to go. Bye bye for now.